Imagine a creature whose jaw could open a full 90 degrees, one of the widest mouth gapes ever known in a mammal. The Tasmanian tiger, or thylacine, possessed this astonishing ability. Most people can barely open their mouths past 40 to 50 degrees. Even large predators fall far short. Yet the thylacine could stretch its jaws so wide it seemed almost unreal. When early photographs revealed this oddity, many dismissed them as exaggerations. But science confirmed it. The thylacine really could open its mouth nearly to a right angle, a marvel almost hidden within its striped marsupial form. You might expect that such a vast jaw belonged to a powerful predator. Strangely, studies show its bite force was surprisingly modest, weaker than that of many animals its size. This begs the question, why would evolution gift the thylacine such an enormous mouth? Researchers believe the wide gape let the thylacine seize its prey with remarkable speed and grip, an adaptation for survival in the wilds of Tasmania. Others suggest the jaw served as a dramatic display, intimidating rivals and frightening threats. This striped marsupial, resembling a dog painted with tiger stripes, carried its young in a pouch, an odd blend of familiar and exotic, now lost forever. The last known thylacine died in captivity in 1936, closing the chapter on a species both mysterious and extraordinary. Its incredible 90-degree jaw stands as a testament to nature's creativity. The Tasmanian tiger reminds us that the world once held creatures stranger than we could imagine, and that some of the most wondrous animals are those we've already lost.